Hello again. I think this is day 16 since I first met the boat, and we continue to plow forward. We've only been here for a few hours today, and that's because we came in from New Orleans. And today I've been working on the heater some more, and I think maybe I'll get it to work tomorrow. And we're crossing our fingers on that because it's going to get down to about 33 tonight. But also today, the mechanic came in to work more on the engine. I got the new starter and he put it on. He's able to turn it over a little bit. However, there's a short or something between the ignition and the main engine. So we had to stop for today. My friend here has been continuing to open up things. We got this open today. We didn't realize that there was actually some trapped moisture under here in one of the storage areas. So we were dealing with that. And I'll move backwards a bit. You can show him the forward berth there if you want. That's where he's been working today, getting, that's the last main thing for us to get open. It's right there. And we're working on that. And it's my new light. I've been having fun with this. So moving backwards here, the heater is really very advanced. It was added later. It's a diesel gravity-fed heater, and like my cousin was an engineer, so I'm going to back into the forward area, and you can show them the gravity-fed tank there. And I think I've got everything sort of like primed, and I'm going to get that working anymore. We're dealing more with delamination, but it's coming along, and so I guess that's it for today. Tomorrow we have our fingers crossed to get the engine started, to get the heater working, and to continue pulling out some of the wood that's wet. That's it for now.